how to turn on security delay feature in iPhone 12. So if you have an iPhone 12 and you want to enable the security delay feature that helps to protect your iPhone for at least 1 hour once it is misplaced, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on security delay feature in iPhone iOS 18, that's your iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. All you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, just scroll down. Just keep scrolling. Click on Face ID and passcode. Then go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode. Once you type in your iPhone passcode, scroll down the page. Just keep scrolling until you get to Stolen Device Protection. Tap that. Then here, turn this on. And then there you go. Under Request Security Delay, just select Always Not from Familiar Location, because if selected familiar location, your iPhone will not enable stolen device protection in any familiar location like office, at home, or at salon, where you often fix it. Then hit the back button. Then you can see you can no longer change your iPhone passcode at this time, or you can no longer turn off your iPhone passcode except after 1 hour before you can turn off security delay. So is that? Then if you see security delay required to change stolen device protection, then you need to start security delay until after this hour. Then you will be able to either change your passcode or remove Face ID from your phone. So that is basically how to turn on security delay feature in iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.